Google Drive is one of the most famous file storage and synchronization service. It is developed by Google and allows users to store and manage files like photos, videos, documents, sheets, presentations, etc. on servers. However, sometimes a user can mistakenly delete the important files and data from Google Drive, which becomes harder to recover. But wait, if anything like this ever happens, then you do not have to worry, as Google Drive gives users an option to recover their files. So, in case you have ever deleted anything important and want to restore it, then we are here for you, as we'll be explaining you step-by-step process to recover your deleted files from Google Drive. So the very first step is to log into your Google Drive account. After this, you need to click on the trash icon. For your information, the trash icon can be named as bin in certain countries. After clicking on the trash icon, you need to right-click on the file that you want to recover, following which a pop-up window will appear. After this step, you need to click on the restore button, and the restored data will be saved on their original location. So these were a few simple steps on how you can recover your lost data from Google Drive. We hope you liked this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.